Hey, my name's Daniel Helfand, and I'm a developer advocate at GitLab. I'm going to be showing you how to set up MCP integrations with the Duo CLI in this video. It'll help you bring in a ton more context to the model that you're working with as part of using the Duo CLI. Let's go ahead and take a look about how to get started with it. In order to get started using the Duo CLI with MCP integrations, let's go ahead and create a new file under this project's GitLab Duo folder. This file will be named mcp.json, where you'll define all of the MCP configuration that the Duo CLI will be able to interact with. Here, we're setting up our Duo CLI to work with Glean, and we're also specifying a list of approved tools that it's able to interact with without approval, but you can also set the approved tools property to true if you want the Duo CLI to always ask for your approval before interacting with any tools. Now that this file has been added, we can go ahead and start up Duo. With the Duo CLI's access to Glean, one thing that I now have access to are Slack conversations. For instance, in this group where I'm working with one of my colleagues on a front-end issue for our banking application, we've been having a conversation about adding a particular feature that was added in one section of the application but could be applied to another area as well. In that Slack thread, there is a lot of data that the Duo CLI can have access to, including access to the conversation that we had within Slack itself. You'll see here that the Duo CLI is able to use the MCP integration to go ahead and read the conversation that happened on Slack and give me a good overview of the conversation. And then another piece of information that it can easily have access to are Google Docs, for instance, for the proposal that was included as part of that Slack thread. I'll go ahead and ask the Duo CLI if it can summarize the Google Doc. It again goes ahead and uses the MCP integration and is able to pull in all of the details of the proposal that I outlined in the Slack thread. This allows us to easily pull in context as part of the planning phase of getting ready to work on this issue. The last request that was in the Slack thread was if we could go ahead and open up an issue for this. So I'll just go ahead and ask the Duo CLI if it can take all of the context from this conversation here and open an issue in the project and then assign it to me. Here, the Duo CLI is able to go out to our GitLab project, and it'll go ahead and ask me before it goes ahead and creates the issue. I'll just select approve here. And the result will be that the Duo CLI has opened up a new issue and has gone ahead and assigned it to me. Let's go out to our project and just verify that everything took place. Here you'll see that the new issue number 45 was opened, and it looks to contain all of the information that we pulled in from Slack and the Google Doc in order to get started with this issue for our application. With the Duo CLI's MCP integrations, you'll never have a lack of access to the data that you need in order to work on the next great idea. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video on using the Duo CLI with MCP integrations. Be sure to check out the video description for more links and details on how to get started. Thanks again.